14 rules for bad quality managers, just for fun. Yes, the machine is haunted is an acceptable root cause analysis. This tongue-in-cheek advice is from Ekaterina Potemkina, a quality expert with a wicked sense of humour. You can follow Ekaterina in LinkedIn or subscribe to her new newsletter, Quality All In, for insights, tips, and practical formulas in quality. If you want to make headlines for all the wrong reasons in your quality management role, follow these 14 tips. 1. Make decisions based on vibes, not data. Gut feeling is the backbone of quality management, right? 2. Always wing it during audits. Preparation is for amateurs. Real pros rely on their charm and spontaneous storytelling to explain missing documentation. 3. Procrastinate on that non-conformity report. Why fix it today when you can let it snowball into a full-blown scandal tomorrow? After all, everyone loves a good corporate drama. 4. Turn your management review into a nap-worthy lecture. Nothing says I care about quality like 100 slides of jargon and a room full of glazed-over executives. 5. Skip training. People learn best by failing publicly. Let your team figure out compliance through trial, error, and front-page news. 6. Ignore customer complaints until they go viral on social media. The best way to gauge urgency is a trending hashtag, after all. 7. Run every change past 10 layers of approval. Who needs agility? Bog down improvement efforts in bureaucracy and enjoy the thrilling pace of snail-like progress. 8. Use sticky notes for document control. SOP updates? Scribble them on a sticky note. It's eco-friendly until it blows away. 9. If you don't document it, it didn't happen. Hide problems under the rug. Denial is the secret to short-term success and long-term disaster. 10. Turn corrective action and preventive action requests into a never-ending saga. Drag corrective actions out like a Netflix series. So much suspense, so little resolution. 11. Replace root cause analysis with wild guessing. The machine is haunted is a perfectly acceptable explanation for recurring defects. Who needs evidence? 12. Promise the impossible. 0 defects forever. Who needs realistic commitments when you've got boundless optimism? 13. Assume your team reads your mind. Skip explaining the processes. Your team should just know what you want. Telepathy is a leadership skill, right? 14. Always say yes to everything. Overcommit, underdeliver, and let the chaos unfold. You're just one person. How bad can it get? Despite the irony, some of these chaos triggers might be quite realistic for some quality folks. Are you guilty of any? Thank you so much, Ekaterina, for allowing me to share that.